Hello, dear children. Welcome back to our talks. Yes, welcome back once again in 2021, the very first lecture. Okay. Yes. First of all, wishing each one of you a very, very happy New Year. Yeah, yesterday I've already wished, and really all the wishes from the deep core of my heart for each one of you. Okay. So if you have not watched, watch that. Okay, and do keep supporting. Yes, today we are going to do Krebs cycle. This is standard 11th biology. Yes, children, over here I would also like to tell you that the complete format of question papers also changed. So going to publish, okay, going to print, going to upload English question paper. Bio, okay, but English question paper for standard 11th. Again, 11th and 12th, there is difference, okay, and you don't know what sort of questions are going to come. Note making in English is there. I have already uploaded and you have not seen it, okay, many of you. Note making passage you will get, so please be serious about it. Okay, and tenses are also going to come. So tenses I have uploaded. If you don't want, I'm not going to put. So do let me know whether you want. I have already uploaded present tense. If you want past and future, do let me know. And that is there for your exams. Determiners, tenses, they are there in grammar and this. So come back to biology. So today we are going to do respiration in plants. We are doing it, and we are going to do the Krebs cycle, that is citric acid cycle. So we had done up till here. Today I am going to explain line to line from the textbook also. Okay, so pyruvate we have already got, pyruvic acid which we got. Okay, so pyruvate, and here what happens, pyruvate with the help of coenzyme A. So pyruvate and coenzyme A, yes, that is there. This is coenzyme A. Okay, so coenzyme A and pyruvate. Okay, pyruvate is a 3 carbon. You got it over there in glycolysis if you remember. Okay, 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound. It means 2 pyruvic acid हमको मिला था. Okay, and NAD again forms NADH2. Okay, and CO2 is also given out, and finally what happens, we get acetyl coenzyme A. So pyruvate coenzyme A, we get acetyl coenzyme A because एक कार्बन CO2 एक कार्बन, okay, miss होता है. 3 carbon compound and 1 carbon is missed. We have acetyl coenzyme A. Okay, and oxaloacetic acid is the compound actually which is the main compound. So oxaloacetic acid is a 4 carbon compound और ये 2 carbon compound. So this 4 plus 2 forms citric acid. ओके, एंड सिट्रिक एसिड नॉर्मली होना था हमको 6 कार्बन कंपाउंड, लेकिन यहाँ भी एक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जाता है. सो फाइनली it is citric acid is 6 carbon compound. Okay, but in the process of citric acid and alpha ketoglutaric acid, okay, carbon dioxide is given out, मतलब और एक कार्बन चला जाता है. So this is 6 carbon compound, एक C जाता है तो it becomes 5 carbon compound with alpha ketoglutaric acid, and here CO2 is given out, and again I have mentioned 1 2. तो यहाँ पे एक NADH2 फॉर्म होता है और एक प्रोसेस सिट्रिक एसिड से अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारिक एसिड में अगेन NAD forms NADH2. So 2 NADH2, that is energy bonds, are formed, and up till here 2 carbon dioxides are also, 2 molecules of carbon dioxides are also given out, one in this process and the other in the process of citric acid to alpha ketoglutaric acid. So this becomes 5 carbon compound. How? I hope you understood. Okay, and again from alpha ketoglutaric acid से succinic acid जाते जाते फिर से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल चला जाता है. तो अल्फा कीटो 5 कार्बन कंपाउंड है, एक कार्बन फिर से निकल गया, इट बिकम्स 4 कार्बन कंपाउंड. ओके, सो फाइनली वी हैव सक्सिनिक एसिड व्हिच इज 4 कार्बन कंपाउंड. सक्सिनिल, कोएंजाइम ए, वो सब है आपके चैप्टर में. So in all those steps, even if you leave, no problem, do this cycle. This is an easy one, you can do it. तो अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारिक एसिड से इट गिव्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. क्या क्या प्रोसेस होता है अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारिक एसिड से सक्सिनिक एसिड पहुंचने में? 1 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज गिवन आउट, NAD गेट्स reduced to NADH plus H2, and GDP gets oxidized to GTP. तो ये 3 यहाँ पे प्रोसेस होता है, एंड देन फाइनली वी गेट 4 कार्बन कंपाउंड. तो स्टार्ट हुआ था 6 कार्बन कंपाउंड, एक मिस हुआ, 5 कार्बन कंपाउंड, एक C मिस हुआ, फिर से 4 कार्बन कंपाउंड. ओके, नाउ सक्सिनिक एसिड टू मैलिक एसिड, एंड हियर FAD okay, becomes FADH2, and malic acid से again oxaloacetic acid NADH2. So that is what I wanted to tell you, that कितना NADH2 form हुआ. One is over here, another is over here. This is the first one, okay, then this is the second one, third is formed over here, and fourth. तो 4 NADH2s form हो गए. ठीक है, तो 4 NAD यहाँ पे जैसे दिखाया पायरुविक एसिड और 4 NAD प्लस यूज हुआ है, तो 4 NADH हमको मिला है, NADH प्लस H प्लस, तो 4H प्लस. ठीक है, और उसके बाद oxaloacetic acid, okay, along with this acetyl coenzyme A. This is a 4 carbon compound, okay, 4 and ये 2 है, तो 4 plus 2 यहाँ आके ये 6 carbon compound हो गया. Again it gives one carbon CO2 के फॉर्म में कार्बन देता है, so it becomes again 5 carbon compound with alpha ketoglutaric acid. This is the whole process and this is how it goes. Okay, so this is citric acid cycle. Okay, and over here as you can see 3 carbon oxides भी दे रहा है. Okay, एक ये मैं इसको ऐसे कर रही हूँ तो आपको पता चलेगा. 1 carbon dioxide over here, the other carbon dioxide over here, and the third carbon dioxide over here. So you can see 3 carbon dioxides also it has given. Okay, 1 FAD becomes FADH2 and GTP. तो ADP plus pi और ATP GTP लिख रहा है. Okay, so this is the complete citric acid cycle. Okay, if you want me to do it with the book, I will just go through it. You can check that, and I will go through your textbook. Okay, it is also known as TCA cycle. Okay, the same things are there, but it says the reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme citrate. Yes, enzymes also it has mentioned. Okay, that is enzyme citrate synthetase, and a molecule of coenzyme A is released. Okay, so citrate is then isomerized to isocitrate, acetyl coenzyme A, and followed by 2 successive steps of decarboxylation, leading to the formation of अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारिक एसिड. तो इफ इन दिस प्रोसेस अगर आपको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहा है, जीटीपी जो भी, ओके, सक्सिनल कोएंजाइम में कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, लीव द होल थिंग. द साइकिल इज वेरी इजी, and for you the main thing is to remember this. So even if it is asked during the exams, okay, give TCA cycle or draw a TCA cycle, you can do this. You can, or citric acid cycle, Krebs cycle, whatever, there are different names that you should remember. So whatever is asked, you are going to do this, okay, and you can write it also in your own words as I explained it to you. Okay, so that is all about this Krebs cycle. Got it? Hope you all must have understood. Okay, and yeah, I need your support. Okay, keep supporting and liking and sharing. Okay, and I've been telling you always, now I don't want to speak. ओके, कि सब्सक्राइब करो. सब्सक्राइब किया है तो ठीक है, आपको और कुछ मिलता रहेगा. टेंसेस मैंने डाला है, यू डिड नॉट. देन बायोमेम्ब्रेन एंड ऑल दैट, दोज 2 टॉपिक्स वर लेफ्ट, दैट आई हैव आल्सो पुट ऑन द चैनल. ओके, सो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब सो दैट you get the other videos before it is posted to you. Okay, you will get the notification. So that's all for today. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Enjoy 2021 and study hard. Get all your dreams fulfilled. Okay, whatever dreams अभी तक जो fulfill नहीं हुआ है वो सारे fulfill हो ईश्वर से, बस यही कामना है. और आप जो भी पढ़े वो याद रहे आपको. Thank you so much. God bless.